Click the ResiBuddy menu, Upgrade to Pro, Purchase Product Key. From the pop-up window, click the Purchase Pro button. This opens the ResiBuddy Pro product page from the Speedster Solutions store. Check out the details. Add the item to the bag and proceed to checkout. Wait for the email confirming your purchase. Pay through your selected payment method and follow the instructions in the email. Upon successful payment, you will receive another email containing the product key. Copy the product key. Now return to the ResiBuddy spreadsheet. Click the ResiBuddy menu, Upgrade to Pro, Activate Product. In the pop-up input box, paste the product key and hit OK. Wait for the confirmation and refresh the spreadsheet to apply the changes. Once you have ResiBuddy Pro, you will see more submenus, like Generate Reports. This means you now have the ability to unlock add-ons, which is covered in a separate tutorial video.